welcome back to my channel. Today I will be featuring an unboxing of fall casual clothes from Forever 21. They are one of my favorite brands, and I figured why not create a lookbook and outfit of the day dedicated to some of the favorite activities I like to do, which is stay home and play Call of Duty World War II. So it is a new release game for PS4, so make sure that you check that out. This video was sponsored by YouTube, and this is dedicated to their unboxing channel. Make sure you check that out in the description link down below. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started on the unboxing and lookbook try on haul. So I'm opening this up. So YouTube is launching a new channel, which is called youtube.com/unboxed, that will playlist some of the best and latest unboxing videos from different creators on YouTube to encourage fans to check out cool new products that are launching this holiday season. So make sure you check out that channel to see more unboxing videos like mine. Alright, so the first thing in this box I ordered is this cropped white crop top and legging set. Super comfy and very casual, but very cute. The next thing I ordered was this cute Metallica t-shirt, which is like a baggy graphic tee. I thought it was super cute and retro, and I just needed it. Ordered this cute white bodysuit, and I've been wanting something like this. I figured that we can tie it into my casual look because it is loungewear technically, but I've seen a lot of people pair this with cute casual sweatpants and leggings and make it to something really cute while being comfortable. The next graphic tee I ordered is this cute retro Barbie hot pink graphic tee, and it's kind of like a crop top, and it's super cute to pair up with some gray leggings, which I purchased as well. This is gray sweatpants, and it's got a white drawstring. This is the sweatpants that I'm actually gonna pair up with the white bodysuit, the lace-up bodysuit, and it's like a distressed shredded piece here. So super cute and comfortable because I'm obsessed with gray. I also got this shorts, so this is super cute, and I was in love with the little cut right here because it gives you a more lengthier look to your legs. So I can't wait to try on this type of style, and yeah, let me go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. So this is what the two-piece looks like. This is just like a little striped white set. It's the off the shoulder look, long sleeve. It's got a drawstring here. Super comfy and still looks cute. Let me go on the gray background. So this is the baggy MTV graphic tee. It's a very retro MTV logo from the 90s. Super cute. I really like the kind of like a distressed gray, and it's what MTV used to be. So if you are an 80s kid and you remember what MTV used to be, then you know this is what the real MTV looked like. So these are the little shorts with little indents up here. Super cute. As you can see, it elongates your legs so they look skinnier and slimmer and longer. And then I didn't show this in the unboxing, but I did order these. These are knee-high socks, wool socks, and they match the gray here. And then this is the Barbie graphic tee. It's like a cutoff here, and super retro, like 90s Barbie. That is it for my little casual game night outfit of the days for fall, which is mostly when I stay in and just watch movies and eat. So I figure I'd share with you some cuter versions of what you could wear. So make sure you check out YouTube's link for their channel. It's all about unboxing all the new releases this holiday season, and make sure that you thumbs up these videos if you like retro looks and staying home. Make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, guys. Bye.
Quick, these packs are tearing us apart!